Hello students, welcome back to your maths class. As in the previous video, we had learned about ordering of numbers, what comes after, before and in between. So today, we will learn about comparison of two-digit numbers as well as addition of two-digit numbers. Let's know about comparison of two-digit numbers first. There were two monkeys in the circus, Mintu and Chintu. Mintu was very active and Chintu was very lazy. एक्टिव मिंटू को 35 गिफ्ट्स मिले और लेजी चिंटू को 24. Now tell me who got more gifts? Let's know. For this we have to compare between two-digit numbers. Compare the tens digits of the both numbers. The number with the great tens will be greater. अब जैसे हमारे पास two numbers हैं 35 and 24. अब हम इन नंबर्स की टेंस प्लेस को देखेंगे कि यहाँ कौन सा डिजिट्स आ रहा है. 35 में 3 और 24 में 2. Now tell me which digit is greater, 2 or 3? Of course 3. It means 35 is greater than 24. So Mintu got more gifts. Do you know kids, हम इन नंबर्स को ग्रेटर या स्मॉलर बताने के लिए सिंबल्स का भी यूज करते हैं. Which are these? This is the symbol of greater than. It is used for greater than number. ये देखने में तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे किसी क्रोकोडाइल ने अपना माउथ ओपन किया हो. Let's compare using this symbol 35-24. समझो क्रोकोडाइल का माउथ उसी साइड ओपन रहेगा जिस साइड ग्रेटर नंबर होगा. Means क्रोकोडाइल का माउथ 35 नंबर की साइड ओपन होगा. This symbol shows 35 is greater than 24. And 24 is smaller than 35. अगर एक्टिव मिंटू को 35 गिफ्ट्स मिलते और लेजी मिंटू को 34, तो who got less gifts? अब 34 और 35 में दोनों के टेंस की प्लेस पर तो सेम नंबर्स हैं 3. तो दोनों को इक्वल गिफ्ट्स मिले क्या? नो. अगर किसी भी टू डिजिट नंबर्स में टेंस के प्लेस पर नंबर सेम हो तो हम इसके वंस के प्लेस पर जो नंबर्स है उसको कंपेयर करते हैं. So we will compare now 5 from 35 and 4 from 34. Now tell me which number is greater, 5 or 4? Yes, 5 is greater. It means 34 is smaller than 35. अब हमें ये शो करना है कि किसको लेस गिफ्ट्स मिले. We may write it by using greater than symbol when 35 is written at left side. But अगर 35 right side right हो, we will use this symbol less than. It shows 35 is greater and 34 is smaller. क्रोकोडाइल का माउथ उसी साइड क्लोज होगा जो नंबर स्मॉलर हो. जिस साइड माउथ क्लोज है वो नंबर 34 मीन्स चिंटू को लेस गिफ्ट्स मिले. If both monkeys would have got 25 gifts, who got less and who got more? No one got less and no one got more because अगर हम tens की place से compare करें, you can see both numbers have same digits too. और अगर हम ones की place से compare करें, then also both numbers have same digits 5. So they both got equal. We may write it as by using this symbol equal to. It is used for equal. This symbol shows that both monkeys have got equal gifts. I hope you have understood the concept of comparison. Let's go ahead. Addition of tens. Radhika and her two friends went to garden. वहाँ ढेर सारे indicate trees थे. Radha and her friends plucked so many of them. Now count and tell me how many did they pluck in all? Let's count of Radhika first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will count of her friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. अब बताओ 10 plus 20 टोटल कितने एनिमल्स हुए? स्टूडेंट्स मैंने आपको बताया था ना किसी भी 10 थिंग्स के वन ग्रुप को हम क्या कहते हैं? यस 1 10. और अगर 2 ग्रुप्स हो तो 2 10s. अब अगर हमें इमली काउंट करना है तो जब 1 by 1 काउंट करेंगे तो बहुत टाइम लगेगा. अब बताओ कैसे काउंट करें कि जल्दी काउंट हो जाए. So we will make different groups of tens. Example, Radhika has 10 imlis means 1 10, and her friends have 20 imlis means 2 tens. Now add 1 10 plus 2 tens. We get 3 tens. What is 3 tens? 3 tens means 30. We can also solve it by arranging vertically at tens and ones place. Let's solve. In 10, write 1 at tens place and 0 at ones place. In 20, write 2 at tens place and 0 at ones place. Now, put the symbol of addition means plus at the left side of second added. Now add. We always start adding from the right side. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So we get 30. There are 30 imlis in all. Means 30 tamarinds in all. Let's take another example. In a library, there are 10 students and 10 teachers reading books. How many total people are there? As 10 is equal to 1 day. और हमारे पास 10 की 2 groups हैं. So we will add 10 plus 10 means 110 plus 110. We get 2 tens means we get 20. There are 20 people in all. Now we will solve by arranging vertically. We have 2 tens. So write both 1 at tens place and both 0 at ones place. Now the symbol of addition plus. Let's add 0. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So we get an answer 2. It means we may add tens in both ways, horizontally as well as vertically. I hope you have understood the concept of addition of tens. Now it's your practice. The question is, complete the page number 15 and 51 in your book. That's it for today, kids. We will meet again in next week.